Now see here, the count rate of a radioactive material falls from 4 into 10 raised to power 6 per second to 1 into 10 raised to power 6 per second in 20 hours. What will be the count rate 100 hours after the beginning? So we have to calculate count rate, means that is rate of decay, that is activity. So we know it. We can write actually R upon R naught is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to power n. N is here the total number of half-lives. So here we can write R here. In the first case we are given R and R naught. So we are given R is 1 into 10 raised to power 6 divided by 4 into 10 raised to power 6 is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to power n. This and this will get cancelled. So 1 upon 2 is square is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to power n. So n is equal to 2. So for following the decay rate from this to this, number of half-lives required n is equal to 2. So if we have got n equal to 2, we can calculate half-life. So using n is equal to 2, we can write T upon T half is equal to 2. This is here 20 upon 2 is equal to T half. So T half is equal to 10 hours. So half-life of the radioactive material is 10 hours. Now we have got this. So by using this data, we have got half-life of the radioactive material. Now we can go for the next part of the question. What will be the count rate 100 hours after the beginning? So for this, again we can use this same formula here, that is R upon R naught is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to power n, and here we can take here, we have to calculate R. So R upon 4 into 10 raised to power 6 is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to power 100 hours. So here that is 100 upon 10. So total time is 100 hours, half-life is 10. So we can calculate n from here directly. So we will be getting R upon 4 into 10 raised to power 6 is 1 upon 2 raised to power 10. Now we can solve it further, we can simplify. So we can get R is equal to 4 into 10 raised to power 6 upon, we can do it here 2 raised to power 5 into 2 raised to power 5, that is 2 raised to power 10 only. And then we can solve it 4 into 10 raised to power 6 upon, this is 32 into 32, directly you can multiply also, you can write. So 32 into 32, when you solve it, that is coming here, this is per second. So when you will be solving it and getting the answer approximately 3.9 into 10 raised to power 3 per second. So this is the decay rate at after 100 hours.